Hey guys, welcome back to our video, and today we're going to be doing the woodwork challenge. Let's get straight into it. We're going to be doing rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. I won rock, paper, scissors. Let's see if I can hit the crossbar. I know I can do it. Hit the crossbar, now I've got to hit the two posts. And also guys, we're going to be doing 3 rounds of it, so stay put. Did you hit your crossbar? Nope. I'm going for the right post. Still missed the crossbar. Let's see if I can hit the left post. Ready, Lawzee? Yep. Can you get mine? Crossbar again. Doesn't count. Yeah. Does that count? Yeah. Double crossbar doesn't count. It's 1-1. Let's see if I can hit the post. Ready, Lawzee? Oh! Okay. So hard, you stay there, okay? Luckily, he didn't hit it, so let's see. Fun. Okay. That hit? Yeah, it did. Let's go and take out, remember? Guys, I'm so gonna get this, aren't I? So close to hitting it. Not that far away.
And I say things like
press the like button if you think I hit it. Going for the right post. Yes, guys. Press that subscribe button if you think I hit the left post. Oh!
Does not count.
Oh, I hit a crossbar again. Three times. Leave like if you think I'll hit this. So funny, guys.
I'll go for it.
Ready, guys? Go. Oh! Solid hit. See, guys, I always said that I'm going to hit it. And I did. But I'm going to win this one. Left post, easy. Oh! Hit it. Doesn't count. No rebounds. I'm going to hit this. I'm going to get a left post. Guys, I'm going to hit it with this ball. Yes, guys! Come on, hit it with the pink ball.
Your teacher will be really happy.
I'm the winner of this round, so let's go into the next round. Okay, yeah. I'll go first because winner goes first. Click the bell if you think I'll hit the crossbar. Oh, you deserve that. Too easy, man. So not losing this challenge. I think it is if we hit this right post. let you know we're doing skimmers count. So yeah, I just got to hit the left post and I win. Oh! Mate, I hit it, ready? Left post, paddling pool. Megatin. Goal!
Yes, I hit it for me. Doesn't count.
Gonna hit it.
Oh, we're both on it.
Yeah, but if I hit this, it goes on. There'll still be 1-0 too. And I did.
What do we do now then?
So no one got the points for that round. So let's get on to the third round.
So it's 2-1 to me.
No.
Yeah, draw.
Oh!
Crossbar.
It doesn't count.
First one skims though.
Did you hit first?
Crossbar. Hit the crossbar already.
I need to start again. I know what to do. Sam, let me get you chairs.
Stop.
Stop.
I'm not doing it to you. I guess so. Oh, that guy's. Oh!
Hit it.
Doesn't count. What's this, guys? Didn't hit it. Now we're going to do first one to hit both posts. Leo.
I'm taking mine from Leo.
No, Leo. And he missed.
There's loads. Actually, that's my paper. Wait, isn't that? Oh, yeah, it is. I thought that was my paper.
Yes, guys. Hit.
I'm going to do what I do. A bit here. Like,
If I hit that post, I win.
or you
Which I will.
can draw your big stuff.
I have to hit that post and I win.
I didn't know actually slightly.
Yeah, but not. I still have a chance. If I hit this, it's a draw.
Yes, guys.
It's like a chair. Let me get my chair. That's a voice.
Thanks for watching. I'm the winner of this video. 3-1 to me.
Yeah.
Leo won that challenge today. So yeah, yo boys. Stay put. Stay put to next video.